The whole goal of this is to get a good video or a good photo of one and just kind of determine if this one's a male or a female and what area he's living in. They're some of my favorites because they're the closest to the ivory bill, which I hope that one's still out there. Where'd you go? I don't know if up there. I'm trying to find it. I don't think that's it. Shit. Okay. Is it? No. I hear a different bird. I don't know what that is though. I don't know what kind of bird that is yelling. I love birds, the whole thing, but I don't know enough yet. Right there. There's two. They're still going over there. I'm having a hard time keeping track of which bird's which right now. So above me, I'm not sure what that is, but I'm gonna try to look it up later. There it goes. I'm trying to find my pileated though. It is beautiful out. I'm on a quest to find the pileated woodpecker now, because I know there's one that lives in this area. I know I had seen it in an earlier on video, but I'm not sure. It also might be a different one, but I've seen it more recently in like that area, and then it's been going this way. And when I scared it down there, it went this way. So I'm hoping if I go up that trail, I can find it somewhere up there in the trees. Wish I had binoculars or a better camera for this, but we're gonna figure this out anyway. I'm trying to see if this kind of curve. I did hear it again. I don't know if the camera picked that one up. Pecking? That's the pileated. I don't know where it is though. And I might go back up the trail and see if I can spot it. There's so many trees like this with all the holes in them. And there's a ton of suited trees that are way taller. Really hoping to find it. At least if I can get like a small shot of it, I'll come back with the camera at some point. But this could be a fun little thing, trying to find this guy. Oh, he's been quiet. It might be getting too late. Sadly, I think it's getting too late to find one, so I think I'm gonna come back another day. But I got my first bit. I think I got his call on camera, but I might be wrong, but I did get him drumming the tree. So I'm really hoping I could see him before I go, but I think that's my only evidence for today. I gotta figure what I'm gonna name him. Or her, but I assume him. I don't know. It's the difference. I'm pretty sure with pileated woodpeckers, both have the crest. It's just a matter of males have red cheeks and females, I think, have white cheeks. Which, until I can get a good photo, I'm not gonna know. So, I don't know. Yeah, that's all for this one, I think. I will be back